In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Steam Awards Nomination Committee badge. If you want to add this badge to your Steam profile and earn a bit of Steam XP at the same time, the process is pretty straightforward. The important thing to know is that this badge is tied to the annual Steam Awards nomination period, which usually happens during the Steam Autumn Sale, also known as the Black Friday sale event. So if you do not see the nomination options right away, that usually just means the event is not currently active yet. To get started, you'll need to participate in the Steam Awards nominations when the event goes live. This badge can be upgraded up to level 4, and that happens by completing the nomination-related tasks Steam gives you during the event. In other words, this is not a badge you claim manually from a separate page. Instead, you earn it by taking part in the activity Steam is promoting during the sale. The first type of task is nominating a game in a Steam Awards category. You simply choose a category and select a game you think fits. After that, you'll usually need to nominate a game in another category as well. This helps progress the badge and moves you closer to the next level. Make sure you are logged into your Steam account and pay attention to which categories have already been completed so you do not accidentally repeat the same action without making progress. Another common task is to play one of the games you nominated. This means Steam wants to see some engagement beyond just clicking through the categories. You generally only need to launch and play the nominated game, but it's a good idea to let it run briefly so your activity is properly registered. You may also be asked to write or update a review for one of your nominated games. If you already reviewed it in the past, updating that review can count. If not, you can create a new one. Try to give a genuine opinion, since Steam often encourages authentic feedback during these events. Once you complete the required tasks, the Steam Awards Nomination Committee badge will be added to your profile automatically. Along with that, you'll receive Steam XP, which helps level up your profile. So the main thing to remember is this: wait for the Steam Autumn or Black Friday sale event, complete the nomination tasks, play a nominated game, and write or update a review if required. Do all of that, and the badge should appear on your account without any extra steps.